I'm Daniela from Pomaboy, representing Group 7, and we are presenting on shopping cart calculator. And that is the question. The question goes by let users select item from a menu into brackets item name plus price, input quantities and compute the total bill. Offer discounts based on its total. Use and then the instruction is use function for calculating and decision making not. So the code I start with the code. Then with the static string, it creates a list of the item name and each item is labeled with a number. And then when we go to the static double price, which is it creates the list of the price and then each price matches item at the same position of its item, which means I'm trying to say that each price matches with its item. Then we move to the static void display menu. With the static void display menu, it shows the product menu. The loop it's loop through each item and it displays the name and its price. So with the static menu display menu, it brings out the product menu and the list throughout the item which is name and its price. So but this for me to show you an example, we have to run the code for you to know what I was really talking about. So as I was saying, for the void display menu, so this is the menu and the laptop, Samsung, iPhone, AirPod, iPhone 13 is the static static string items, and then 25,000, 30,000, 4,000, 5,000 are the prices of the item. So now we have to calculate for the item. So now I'm going to select one item to be calculated. Then I choose option 1, which will be laptop. In the quantity, I should enter the quantity. The quantity I choose 2. So for me to know the amount of money I'm supposed to pay for the laptop, for the 2 laptop, I'm supposed to pay 50,000 for the laptop. Thank you.
Okay, so my name is Kelvin Okwache from Group 7. So I am here to explain how the code is going to get the user's money and compute it on how he's going to get his or a discount. So this code simply means I'm here to explain how the discount is being done. So let me start from here. So I'm starting from here. So we have static double calculate discount, double total. So this simply means the static is the static double is the method without creating any extra setup. It's just a method, and the double means it might deal with we are dealing with currency, so decimal might come inside. Then the calculate discount. The name actually tell you what this variable is about to do. It will calculate the discount for you. So let me start. So it will take the total here, which is the double total, then break down your discount for you. So as you can see here, if total greater than equal to 100, then if total is equal to 100, then return total times 0.5. So as you can see here, it means this code simply means if someone buys an item above 100 cedis, like 200 Ghana cedis, so it means the code will return a total. So it will be the 200 cedis times 0.5, which means you are going to get 15%. And mind you, this code actually means the higher you buy the items you buy, the higher you buy them, is the greater you're going to get a high discount of it. So let's come to the line 22. If else, total is greater than equal to 50, return total times 0.5. So we are saying that if if at this place we are saying that if the the code or the amount is below 99 to 50 Ghana cedis, then you are going to get a discount of 0.10, which is approximately 10% discount. So from 99 to 50, you are going to get 10% discount, which is here. And let's move to the next code. If else total is greater or equal to 20, then return total times 0.5. This simply means if you buy an item which is below below 50 Ghana cedis, so starting from 20 Ghana cedis to 49 Ghana cedis, you are going to get a 5% discount. A 5% discount. You are going to get a 5% discount. If your total greater than equal to 20, return total times 0.5, then you are going to get 5 discount. And at the last of my code, the one I'm presenting, return 0. Return 0 simply means if someone buys something below 20 Ghana cedi, there's no discount for the person. There's no discount for the person. So if someone want to get a discount, the person must buy from 20 Ghana cedis to 45 cedis. 49 cedis, you are going to get 5% discount, and from 50 Ghana cedis to 99 Ghana cedis, you are going to get 10% discount, and from 100 cedis and above, you are going to get 15 discount. So let me try and run the code into some time. So okay, that's there. So let's see something here. As you can see, so this help actually, this is the part which plays the discount aspect. This is the part which plays the discount aspect. So you can see the discount total and the discount here. So they will subtract the discount from the total, and you end up with six six 6,800 and 6,800. So the actual price was 8,000. Then you got a discount which is 15% discount, and you end up getting 6,800. Okay, so thank you. This is the end of my presentation.
Good evening, sir. My name is Collins Hansko, and I'm a member of Group 7. And I'll be taking it from where my colleagues ended. And I'll be explaining code line 35 to code line 42. So, line 35 is where we introduced the do loop. Line 36, we have the display menu. The display menu displays the menu my colleagues created earlier. That menu had a laptop being assigned to 1, Samsung A14 assigned to 2, iPhone 12 assigned to 3, and so on. Line 37, it says system.out.print to select an item by number. So this particular line of code means that the statement select an item by number will be displayed to the user, and then the user would enter the number related to the item he wants to buy. And if he or she wants to finish shopping, he can enter 0, and then shopping ends. So line 38, it says choice equals to scanner dot next int. It means that the number the user will enter will be stored in a variable called choice, and then the scanner there receives input from the user. Line 40, we have the if statement. It says that if the choice, that is the number the customer entered, is greater than or equal to 1, line 41 says system.out.print enter quantity. That is, if the customer has entered, for instance, 3, and 3 is iPhone 12. Line 41 is telling the customer to enter the quantity of iPhone 12 he or she wants to buy. And then line 42, it says int quantity equals to scanner. It means that the quantity of the items the user wants to buy will be assigned to a variable called quantity, and then equals to scanner means that the code is ready to receive input from the user. So that is all. My colleagues will take it from there. Thank you.
Okay, so once again, my name is Samuel Edom Kusubashi, and I'll be presenting. I'm a member of Group 7, as I said, and I'll be continuing from what my colleagues did. I'll be taking us through the code as it is here. So I'm going to continue from the if bracket open quantity less than 0. Yes. So with this one, if the user actually enters a negative number, the program shows that there's an error message. Exactly. And continue with a continue. It's a continuous semicolon means program actually skips the item and then goes back to show the menu again. Now with the double item total, with that one it equals prices, yes, and then you're going to bring in the, how do you call it, the bracket choice minus 1. Yes, with that one also say it calculates the total cost. It calculates the total cost for the selected item. Yes, and with the prices, with the choice, the first choice, you are going to get the correct price for it, and then the quantity also. So that one it multiplies by the number of items bought, and then adds the item cost. Adds the item cost to the overall total, and then displays the message showing. So actually displays the message showing that the quantity is bought and the item is used, item made. So with that one, you're going to so let's see, the item is bought. and then the item name using the dot subtractor to actually remove the number and and, and dots. So the total cost for that item, for example, let's say if I added to to Samsung A14, the price is going to give you $6,000 point zero zero, so $6,000 for token. That is what it's going to give you. So when you look at this, so when you run the code and you look at it very well, that's if you are actually using the subtracting to remove the cross from there. You're not going to get the actual answer from there. You're not going to get the answer from yes. So, okay. So with that one, you're not going to get the actual answer from it, from it. But when you make it -1, the correct answer which you need to get is what you're going to get over there, which so okay. So it displays over there giving you the correct answer to it. But the total cost, yes. So sir, this is my presentation, and once again my name is Samuel Edgar Presentation, and I'm a member of Group 7, and then I actually handled the quantity side of it. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Bright Pempe from Group 7. In this presentation, I'll be explaining the last section of our Java-based shopping cart calculator. In this final part of the program, we check if the user enters an invalid item number and display an error message if necessary. A do-while loop keeps the program running until the user enters 0, which ends the shopping session. After the loop, the program calculates a discount using the total amount. It then subtracts the discount from the total to get the final amount to be paid. The program clearly displays the subtotal, the discount, and the final total. Finally, it ends with a friendly thank you message, in quotes, "Thank you for shopping from Group 7. The purpose of this final session is to provide users with a clear summary of their purchase and ensure a smooth, user-friendly checkout experience. Thank you.
Hello, sir. So, my name is Lawson Fidelis, and I'm here to explain the final loop of the code, of how the code is going to be finished. So, the system.out is going to show displays the subtotal before the discount. The second one also displays. The second one also shows the discount amount. The third one shows the final totals we paid, and the last one prints out a thank you message for the group. So I'm going to run the code on how everything is going to sum up, on how everything is going to show, on how the total is going to be, the discount, the final total, and the last thank you message that is going to be shown at the bottom of the code. So this is how the code is. This is how the code is going to be. So you have to select an item you want to purchase. So let's say you select one. That's the laptop. going for the $2,500. So let's say we are purchasing two. Another pop-up menu is going to show which maybe you have another selected item you want to purchase. So let's take the Samsung A14. So taking the Samsung A14, we have a purchase of one. So now we have two purchases. So the code is actually showing the first and the second. It's actually showing the first and the second on the purchases you've made. It has already calculated the added. It has already calculated taking the laptop. So 2 times the laptop is going to be 5,000.40, and one of the phone is going to be just 3,000. So immediately enter zero. If you enter zero, it calculates the subtotal, the discount, and the final total, and it's going to display the thank you message. Thank you, sir.